are going to the boat show.
Down.
And the boats are... Okay, parkour it. Alright, well, we made it to the boat show, or we're on our way to the boat show. We're walking by the bar district. It's like tiki bar.
I need ice cream.
Okay, we are at the boat show. We have paid admissions. It's a flea market part of the boat show, so everything here is boat related. These are spare boat parts. And they're having old cars as well, so, and amphibious cars are somewhere. But check these old cars out. We lost Grandpa, he's like into these old cars. I like this one, it's old booty. Ah, it's so cute, I want it.
I like that one.
This one? There. It's got cheese in it. And then there's one of the old antique boats.
Oh, it's got a little bird on it.
All wooden. That's sweet. And we found the ice cream. The most important part. He's noisy. I think they're churning the ice cream here. Are they making it, Kaden, right there? They're making the ice cream for you. As it turns out, they were making homemade ice cream. These are the amphibious cars. They're awesome. There's so many of them. It's like a sea of amphibious cars. And then what kind of cars these are? They are... Grandpa just stole the ice cream. Let me show you the engine.
It's a Triumph engine from England.
Oh, cool.
West German.
Neat. I took some pictures. I don't know if the pictures will show it, but I'm walking in between the amphibian cars. People's purses and bags are in them. There's another old car. Look at old tractor. Is it an old tractor too? Antique tractor. Look at how many amphibious cars. Wow, that's beautiful.
A cabin.
A cabin, so you could sleep in there. Let's peep through the window. Is there anything else? Look at it. Oh, it's nice in there. Cool. What? No? Alright. That was a little rude, I guess. I thought it was cool.
That's how you look inside, though.
I cheated a little bit. Alright. Are you gonna climb up there and see inside? There's a seaplane. Yeah, there's no boats running because it's freaking lunchtime. Doing a workout on one of the docks. From this point on, I had a live video. We're at Tavares boat show. Oh.
Okay.
Cool, thanks. People are so friendly. Oh, that side? Where? Some baby alligator right there. Right there. Baby alligator. Yeah, about a foot and a half. He's a little bitty guy.
About a foot and a half, 2 feet.
I don't know if it's showing up on my camera. Yeah, this whole area got destroyed by the last hurricane or hurricane before that. One of the hurricanes. And now we're in the water. This is the floating dock part. See, these old boats are all wooden. This is from like the 50s. Look at this one, it's huge. Wow. That's cool. I don't know if like the leather, green leather seats. All wood. Nice. Very nice. And they probably rode up on that today.
Probably did. This thing's moving.
It's floating.
Bar is open.
Oh, it's a bar. Cool. Do we want to go on that later?
Later.
Okay. Let's go down this side way.
Oh yeah?
No, let's go to the far and then go down.
Oh, he's so cool.
He is cute. I don't know where these boats come from, but there's one in the water, so they actually do work. Cool. Docks are wobbling. and it's windy, so it's very not good for if you have like that vertigo. I'm so dizzy right now.
1947.
Yeah, that's nice.
Which one?
The giant party barge. That's not an old boat. Look at how that one is wobbling.
Go ahead.
So here's
do it.
It's like a roller coaster.
Go down and touch the thing down there. You can see how well, I'm going up and down too, but gotcha, touching it. Now you're gonna make it all the way back. Good. Look at those waves. Hang on, Caden. Those are like proper waves.
Then we get.
Look. Nothing. Wow, that one's going underwater right now. That's how big it is. You better get off that little skinny dock. Come on. We're going on this boat bar.
This side.
Alright.
We're going all the way upstairs. We're going out to sea now. Bye. Bye, Mom. See you in the Bahamas.
I'll take a Yingling. 7 up.
No, it's really purple.
Cheers.
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 It was delicious.
Okay, good.
Thank you. It is late.
Okay, go grab our seat.
There.
No.
I can have it.
Mary should. You should eat that. Actually. It's probably been corn syrup. I get one.
You sure there's not any beer on it?
I don't know. There
Here, let me taste.
Dunk them in your...
You're okay.
Give that back. Give that back.
I wish I'd have got one of those.
This is so good. Oh my god.
Feel the boat move?
I do. It's really... And then drinking, I don't know if that's a good combo for me.
Then enjoy it while you can. You'll get tall enough where your feet won't bend.
And you see that? Yeah, they're tearing it up. Is the gator still there?
Where?
Oh, you
Oh, I
moved.
see him. He's over there.
Let's see if I can zoom in on him.
Son.
No, I can't. Does it have a boat race?
Yeah.
Cool.
Wow.
I am having an allergic reaction. And when I'm allergic to something that I drink, probably alcoholic beverages, when I don't have my throat swell up and drop to I act stupid. So, hold my hand. Do you have your phone? Dang. Oh, that's so cool. Wait, let me stand still so I can. That's cool. Like, here it comes.
Alright, let's go.
That is a car. We saw it driving around. Like, all those are actually cars that we saw driving around. Now, let me zoom back out so you can see. Checkpoint.
No official.
construction. I don't know. Yeah, we're on our way home now because I'm having an allergic reaction for sure. Apparently the yummy beer